As you know, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a devastating impact on just about every business in the United States, including those of us in the diesel industry. You probably have a lot on your mind right now, including the uncertainty about how to bring your employees back to work safely, which employees to bring back, and will your employees even come back? And, of course, the more worrisome concerns about the future of your business. How do I scale my shop back up? How do I pay off my debts? How do I become more cash flow positive again? In keeping with our tradition of providing our customers with valuable information beyond just parts advice, we at Highway and Heavy Parts would like to share some expert advice we've utilized that has allowed us to recover from these difficult times more effectively and with a renewed confidence in our ability to get back to business as usual, yet stronger, healthier, and wiser than ever before. We truly hope you gained some insight from watching this video. After all, when you succeed, we succeed.
During the COVID-19 crisis, you may have had to lay off many of your repair shop employees, and unfortunately, some of them may not even be coming back. This puts your business in an unprecedented position that can be difficult to overcome. Like many other businesses across the country, you'll need to do more with less while you're trying to recover from the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. This means that you'll need to manage your employees better than ever before to ensure work is getting done on time and done right. In keeping with our mission of helping our customers succeed in every aspect of their business, I'd like to share some of the management methods we've found to be effective based on the advice from expert consulting services we've received. First of all, since you are more than likely working with less staff in various areas of the business, it's a good idea to take this opportunity to perform an analysis of your organizational structure to determine if additional responsibilities can be delegated to fewer people. Take some time to review and streamline your management systems to be more effective and productive. Try to minimize any management tasks that don't focus on key performance indicators that impact your bottom line or customer service. Develop a management oversight and reporting system to monitor, measure, and improve productivity. Again, only focus your oversight on the key indicators you feel are most important to the success of your shop. And last, encourage employees to take ownership of their new tasks and responsibilities through coaching and mentoring. This gives them a vested interest in the outcome of their work.
When a business experiences a crisis like the one we're going through now, the recovery process can be slow and painful, but you want to get back up and running as soon as possible. From an operations standpoint, the key to recovering effectively is to do it strategically. You need to approach it as smart as possible to avoid any problems that will prolong your recovery. At HHP, we've had our fair share of ups and downs over the last decade or so, but nothing has tested our resolve more than the COVID-19 crisis. But unlike many companies, we're going to come out of it okay. And because of that, we'd like to share some of the things we've learned and implemented over the past few months to help your shop transition back to business as a leaner, more productive organization. First of all, before bringing your employees back to work en masse, carefully scrutinize your labor force and organizational structure to determine which positions are critical to your daily operations. Prioritize their return based on the capacity required to fulfill immediate or anticipated customer needs. Gradually increase your capacity to be prepared for a resurgence in jobs when the economy picks up again. Review and innovate production processes to eliminate waste in non-productive activities and increase efficiency. This will make your shop more profitable as you're ramping up. Develop ways to broaden or diversify your services so your business isn't dependent on one customer type or segment. This will reduce your risk when a down economy negatively impacts that one customer you count on most. We're most likely entering in a new phase in our industry where business as usual won't cut it anymore. Don't expect things to just return to the way they used to be. Based on the lessons you've learned from the pandemic, carefully evaluate the trends and changes to come and make adjustments to your daily operations now so you can adapt to them quickly and effectively.
The coronavirus pandemic has had a negative impact on the financial stability of virtually every business across the U.S., including diesel repair shops. But don't despair. There are some things you can do to reduce the financial impact on your repair shop and come out the other side stronger and healthier. Most of the things I'm going to share with you are tried and true methods that many businesses and organizations, including Highway and Heavy Parts, have been using for years. Some you may be aware of and some you may not. But if you can help our customers recover more quickly from the economic hardships caused by the coronavirus pandemic, then we think they're worth pointing out. First of all, get help when it's offered and available. Apply for the low-interest government assistance loans that have been put in place to help pay down debt. Establish a new budget and financial projections based on the decrease in your revenue. Find ways to reduce spending and overhead without impacting customer service. Renegotiate bank loans and credit card interest rates to reduce those monthly payments. Consider renting high-cost equipment that depreciates in value. Negotiate short-term rental contracts so you're not paying for equipment you're not using. Increase cash flow by negotiating shorter accounts receivables and longer accounts payables with vendors and suppliers. Take advantage of cost-saving programs offered by vendors and suppliers. Every little bit of savings will help when you're trying to get back on your feet. Some vendors, like HHP, have other perks that make these programs even more worthwhile. Reinvest into your business to make it healthier and less susceptible to the impacts of a down economy. Today's global marketplace is more volatile than ever before, and you never know when another economic recession will hit.
So how does a diesel engine repair shop recover from the economic impact of the COVID-19 virus? How do you get back those customers you lost and get back in front of the ones you want to gain? The last thing you want to do right now is to wait for them to come to you. While you're anticipating their return, your competitor is probably calling them on the phone while you're watching this video. Now is the time to devote more effort to marketing and advertising your repair shop services. You want to get back in front of your customers and prospects before someone else steals them from you. At HHP, we know a thing or two about marketing, and we like to share what we know to help you regain your market share and competitive edge. The first thing you should do, and this may sound obvious, is to ramp up your marketing and sales efforts to let customers and prospects know your shop is open for business. Don't take it for granted that they know you're open just because the restrictions have lifted. Communicate to your customers that you understand and relate to the hardships they experienced during the COVID-19 crisis, the struggles they will go through to get their business back to normal, and what your business is doing to ease those struggles. Develop positive marketing and sales messaging strategies that will encourage prospects to take proactive measures to restore their business and make it thrive again through the use of your services. You're not just a repair shop for them, you're a business partner with them. You help their business thrive, and you need to let them know how you do it. Offer value-added industry experience and knowledge in ways you may not have thought of before, but your customers would gain value from it. Develop a unique positioning statement that differentiates your repair shop from the competitors. Don't just be another Me Too shop. Set yourself apart. And lastly, if needed, offer special discounts or incentives to bring back business you may have lost or are at risk of losing to a competitor.
Thank you for watching. Again, we hope the advice we've shared with you here provides some insight you can use to get your shop up and running again and become more productive and prosperous in the future. And of course, if you ever need any parts advice, our technical experts are here for you as well. Call us at 844-447-1453 or chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.